Prince Harry's latest literary venture, Spare, is more than just a memoir. Explore the complexities and challenges faced by a member of the British royal family, going beyond the surface to foster a deeper understanding of the dynamics involved. It's a compelling narrative that delves into mental health advocacy, royal family insights, and a remarkable philanthropic journey. Within the pages of Spare, readers encounter a Prince Harry unfiltered, sharing his authentic voice and stories that transcend the royal persona. As a Duke of Sussex memoir, Spare goes beyond the customary royal narratives, offering a deeply personal account that explores the highs and lows of the Duke's life, making it a distinctive addition to the genre. At the core of Spare lies a poignant exploration of mental health advocacy. Prince Harry's journey towards mental well-being is a focal point, making it a valuable resource for those interested in understanding and supporting mental health awareness initiatives. Spare provides unprecedented royal family insights, offering a rare glimpse into the dynamics and challenges faced by a member of the British royal family. Prince Harry's philanthropy journey is a central theme in the memoir, showcasing his commitment to making a positive impact on the world.